Students, we discussed what a notice is, right? It's a formal formal message passed on to a large audience. We also learn about the difference between a circular and a notice. We learn about the format. We learn about the types. Today we learn about the value points of a few notices, and then we'll practice some examples of notice in a way, right? So let us take our first we have notice meeting. Suppose there is a meeting and you have to write a notice for it. How will you write in a way, right? How will you write? So what are the points that you need to keep in mind? The date, time, venue, the agenda, right? Who to attend, contact address, specific information. So all these points have to be kept in mind. The basic points is date, time, venue of the meeting, agenda, purpose. What is the main reason for calling the meeting in a way? Who to attend? Who will attend? Children will attend, students will attend, monitors will attend, who will attend, right? Contact address and specific, if any specific information is to be given, like suppose you need to bring pen and paper, such information can be put in there in a way, right? Let us try to write a simple notice where a meeting is being called, right? So let us a notice of a meeting is being drafted and is being put on the display board for general information, right? Now suppose you are Astik or Manasi, from MP school Dwarka, right? You are Astik Manasi from MP school Dwarka. You are asking Mansi, cultural secretary from MP school or of MP school Dwarka, right? Now, cultural secretary of MP school Dwarka. Now, suppose your school is organizing a cultural fest. So a meeting is being organized to inform the school council. Suppose drafted notice. No, so how will you write the notice in this case? Suppose it is a simple meeting that has been called in a way. So simple we'll write. So here, right, we'll write MP school Dwarka, right? Dwarka. Then we'll leave a line and then write notice, right? We'll write notice and then we'll leave a line and then we'll write date. Date suppose it is April 23rd, 2020, and heading you can put it. Suppose it is meeting cultural fest, right? Cultural fest 2020. Now, so how will you write? Suppose this is to inform that a meeting is to be held on to be held on 26th April 2020 at 10 a.m. in the amphitheater, right? Why? To discuss the plan and program of Cultural Fest 2020, right? All council members to attend. All council members to attend. So you must make sure that no personal pronouns are there in the in a notice scenario. No personal pronouns are there in a notice. So you must make sure that it is avoided. All council members to attend, right? And all to bring pen and a copy, right? For further information, contact the undersigned. Right? Suppose your name is Astik, Cultural Secretary. So here you have the name and you have the designation. So you see, all the points have been covered. Value points, date. This is the date. This is the time. This is the place. Right. This is the agenda. These are the what you can say who to attend. Right. What to specific information, and then further conclusion, and then finally we have the name and the designation. So entire format is very clearly outlined here in a way. So writing a notice isn't very difficult task, right? If you know what notice is, what is it meant for, you must remember that it is always short, it is crisp, it is date, time, venue is there, any specific information you want to give, you must give, right? It should personal pronouns should be avoided, right? And what you can say, the content should be very clear, it should be in a box, it should be in 50 words, right? And it should be presented in a logical way, right? So this was one example of meeting. Let us take an example of lost and found, right? Lost and found notice. I hope you have understood the one that we have discussed right now. Let us discuss another notice of lost and found. Now suppose you are Manish or Manisha, right? You are Manish or Manisha of class 11 SP school Rohini, right? During the break, you lost a pouch, right? Draft a notice to inform the students. Now suppose a child is there, Manish or Manisha, he or she is in class 11 of SP school Rohini. Now it happens, it's a very common thing, sometimes you lose something or the other, somewhere or the other, right? So the child lost a pouch. Generally in a pouch what happens? We have important documents, important things are there, pen, pencil, sometimes you put on our metro card, sometimes you put the ATM card, right? Sometimes we carry mobiles even in our pouch, without knowing, with a teacher catching you, just have that, without the knowledge of the parents, without the knowledge of teacher. At times you do that, sometimes no, or unknowingly, it may not, maybe knowingly, maybe unknowingly. Sometimes the small mobile may be there in the pouch. So the pouch is like a handy thing and very important thing in a way, right? So the pouch of a child is lost. So now you have to get back the child. How will you write a notice in the case, right? Again the format, you have to remember it has to be in a box. So SP school Rohini, right? SP school Rohini, and then you leave a line, then write notice, then you write April 23rd 2020, heading suppose it is lost, right? You put in like this, so it is a catchy title, right? So again this is to inform the students that the undersigned lost a black pouch during the break time at around 10:15 in the basketball court, in the basketball court on 22nd April 2020. The pouch has valuable documents, ATM card, etc. The one who finds is expected to return the undersigned and expect a handsome treat. Right? Expect a handsome treat. Then we can put it Manish, class 11. Right? So if you want to be specific and write class 11 science, suppose there is one department's class 11 science, so one can easily understand. You put in the box. So this is a very simple notice of lost and found. Suppose it is SP School Rohini, notice the date, the time, the title, lost. This is to inform the students that the undersigned means here, lost a black pouch during the breakfast, during the break time at around 10:15 a.m. in the basketball court on 22nd of April. So the date, time, venue has been mentioned. So once that time also, what we have to mention? See, identification. The pouch was valuable. The pouch has a black color already. The identification mark. The pouch has valuable documents, ATM card, etc. The one who finds it. Now see what we. The one who expected to return undersigned, expected handsome reward. Now here see what we have missed out. Where the one who finds expected to return undersigned and expect to handsome. So it is very clear as to whom to return, to Manish or Manisha, class 11 science. But if in some cases if it is not clear, then you have to mention it that it is to be submitted at the reception if you are not available there. Right? If the person who has lost it is not available, he or she has gone home or some other place, then in that case a particular location can be assigned where the finder can submit the item and or the lost item, and then right, expected reward from the person from to whom the lost item is given, or from the person who had given the notice. Right? So this is how we write a notice. These are the basic elements of a notice, and I hope you have understood. And we'll discuss more about notices in our classes to come. Right? Thank you very much.